Welcome back, crypto traders and chart enthusiasts. Today, we've got a significant update on XRP that you won't want to miss. We're witnessing a crucial moment in the altcoin's journey, as it tests key support levels that could determine the direction of its price for the coming weeks. XRP has recently touched a powerful support zone, where several technical indicators have converged, and the price action in the near future will be vital in deciding whether a fresh rally toward $3 is on the cards. But how strong is this support? And could it fuel another rally for XRP, or will it fail under pressure? Stick around as we break down the technicals, the market sentiment, and what you should watch for in the days ahead. XRP's recent pullback to its lower trading channel boundary has caught the eye of traders across the globe. The price dipped to a critical level that has historically served as solid support. This drop occurred at the same time as the asset touched the 0 and 618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is a key area that many traders watch for signs of potential reversals. Fibonacci retracement levels, especially the 0 and 618, are often considered strong indicators of support or resistance, and their presence here only adds weight to the argument that the recent dip might be the perfect low-risk buying opportunity for bulls. What makes this even more compelling is the fact that XRP managed to reclaim its 200-day moving average during this bounce. The 200-day MA is considered by many to be a critical threshold for determining the overall trend of an asset. It is often seen as a long-term momentum indicator. When the price is above this level, it suggests that the asset is in a bullish phase, and XRP's ability to close above the 200-day moving average over the past few days strengthens the case for a continuation of the uptrend. The price action thus far shows a textbook example of a bullish structure flip. The market saw XRP print a higher low after touching the channel floor, followed by a higher high above the previous swing point. This is a clear signal that the trend is flipped to the upside on the higher time frame, marking the potential start of a new bullish leg. The confluence of factors, the 0 and 618 fib support, the 200-day MA, and the higher high suggest that this setup may indeed be the catalyst for a move toward higher price targets. Moreover, we're seeing momentum indicators like the relative strength index and moving average convergence divergence begin to shift upward again, signaling that the bulls may be gearing up for the next push. When both of these indicators are aligned with price action, it suggests that the bullish momentum is likely to continue, and the recent low might be the start of a powerful move toward higher levels. However, it's essential to understand that this isn't a guarantee of a breakout. As with any technical setup, there are risks, and traders should remain vigilant. The next critical price target for XRP is around $2.80, where the point of control resides. The POC represents a price level where the most trading volume has occurred during a specified period, and it often acts as a strong supply or demand zone. This is a key level to watch as XRP approaches. Will it get rejected here, or will it break through with conviction? A decisive move above $2.80 could signal that XRP is on the path to test its ultimate target of $3, a psychological level that many traders have been eyeing for months. The $3 mark is not only a key price zone in its own right, but it also aligns with the upper boundary of XRP's long-term trading channel, which has historically proven to be a strong resistance zone. Breaking above $3 would represent a huge step forward for the asset, likely triggering a wave of buying activity from both retail and institutional investors who have been waiting for such a breakout. What's the next move for traders? If you're currently holding XRP, the key question is, how will the price behave as it nears $2.80 and $3? These levels are crucial for the continuation of the rally. Watch for strong volume on any price breakout above $2.80, as this would indicate that the bullish momentum is not slowing down. Higher volume on these moves will reinforce the idea that the rally has legs to push toward the next key resistance at $3. But if price action falters around the $2.80 region and starts showing signs of rejection, such as a decrease in volume or weak closes near the resistance zone, that would be an early warning sign that the rally may not have enough fuel to reach the $3 level. A rejection here could send XRP back toward lower support zones, and that's where traders need to be cautious and ready to adjust their strategies accordingly. In the opposite scenario, if XRP fails to hold above its recent higher low or falls back below the 200-day moving average, that would invalidate the bullish thesis and open the door to a deeper retracement. The support areas around $1.85 to $1.65 would likely become the next focal point for buyers, and these levels should be watched closely for any signs of renewed demand. What should traders be watching for in the short term? Volume is key. Look at how XRP behaves on its retest of the channel floor, the 0 and 618 fib level, and the 200-day moving average. If we see volume picking up on these bounces, it will signal that the bulls are still in control, and that higher prices are likely. If the opposite occurs, with low volume and increasing selling pressure, that would signal weakness, and a deeper correction could be on the horizon. Additionally, price action around the $2 and $80 and $3 zones will provide vital clues. Will these levels act as a strong supply zone, or will XRP break through them and set new all-time highs? What's your take on XRP's current chart setup? Do you think it will push through to $3, or do you expect a rejection at the $2 and $80 area? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. And if you enjoyed this in-depth analysis, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto updates, and ring the bell to stay notified on the latest developments. We'll keep tracking this price action closely and bring you the latest insights. With XRP testing crucial support and potential resistance levels in sight, all eyes are on how it will react over the coming days. Will the bulls take charge, or will the bears regain control? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: this is a pivotal moment for XRP. Stay tuned for more updates, and let's keep analyzing the charts together.